Hi everybody, I am Mohammed Nigm and today I will present for you OBS program. OBS program is helping you to record your screen. So today I will tell you how to download your program and how to install this program and how to use the program. It will be easy for me. At first I can search for OBS, Open Broadcast Software, and I can choose here Windows. So after choosing Windows or Mac, whatever, it up to your system optimization. So I can choose my program. After that, I can download the program and I can make the install like that. I can make next, but it told me now that I have the program and I am working with the program, so I couldn't the program he couldn't install himself. Okay, here I can record my video. So when I will record here, I can find here start recording, but after click this button, it will convert to stop recording. As important for me to like here in my settings, here my general settings, I don't care with these settings. Here streaming, if I want to make streaming on your website like YouTube, Twitter or Facebook, I can make my stream here. I can put my settings here. Here I would put where I will record my final video. When I will stop recording, I can save this video in this bus, recording bus, and I can choose here where I will save my video. Audio, here I am choosing the important that I can choose my mic. Here, for example, I choose this mic, and I am recording using this mic. Here video, I can choose my resolution, and I must choose the best resolution. Here I can see 1920, also 1080, so something like that, and I can choose this one. Here my frame rate 25. I can't choose something else, but 25 is the best for our work. Okay, so I can record anything now. I can record my video and I can choose whatever my files. I can, for example, choose this file and I can read this and I can explain this file for my children. I can draw something like that to explain my information with children's, with students. I can use this highlights. For me, I can, for example, earth what I did, something like that. It will be easy for me. So I can use this settings using Adobe. Here Adobe files and Edge program. Okay, so thank you very much for hearing me, and now I will click here stop recording, so I will say for you goodbye.